So I've been calling this boat a Mako because it looks kind of like a Mako without the emblems and whatnot. So I guess it's a privateer, um, which I knew because I had it in my phone labeled as with the guy's name and privateer at the end. I just didn't. I'm just retarded that way. But so I guess this is supposed to be a little bit more valuable because it's a little bit more sturdy. Looking it over, I'm actually kind of starting to like the look of it, and just the like the beam is. Look at this. I can't even put it in my shot because it's so wide. So just figured I should straighten that up. But in any case, today what I did is tear this floor, or this, it's a gas tank support, had a piece of wood under there and some glass laid over it. It was all rotten, shitty, which is in the trash cans. And then forward of this cross beam here, which is not really a cross beam, it's just a hatch opening. Had some of this, some of the stringers still in there. So I tore those out, pulled those out. And basically what I've got to do here is start grinding all of the edges here. I'm going to do that 6-7 inches. And this is kind of low. This transom here, the repair is not good enough. So you can kind of see that's low there. It's pretty low. On this end, it's about almost a half an inch actually. So I'll grind this up, lay some glass over it, level it up before I get to, well, a lot of the other work that's got to be done. What I have to do here, this is all epoxy, so I can't put anything polyester over it, so I'm going to do so that we're not, so they're saving some money between the cost difference of polyester and epoxies. We're going to use polyester from the front to back all the way up, and then once we hit to the transom here, I'll patch everything in with epoxy and fiber over the polyester, and then we're just going to paint everything with all grip, which is epoxy anyway, and we'll stick there. What else? That's about it, actually. This is pretty straightforward. I don't know.